How do you go about registering a trademark? First of all, you have to determine whether the trademark satisfies the criteria to be registered. There are two specific grounds upon which a trademark can be refused registration. They're contained in the Trademarks Act 1994. The first one relates to absolute grounds for refusal. That is, does the trademark satisfy the criteria to be registered? The second ground relates to relative grounds for refusal. Relative grounds for refusal relate to whether there are any similar or identical trademarks registered in relation to similar or identical goods and services. These are prior registrations, i.e. existing trademarks. In order to determine whether there are any identical or similar trademarks that are already registered, you conduct a search of the Trademarks Register. This can be done by going onto the Intellectual Property Office website, and there is a search string there that you can enter your trademark details or proposed trademark details, and that will come up with a list of identical or similar trademarks. The next stage in the trademark application is to determine what goods and services your proposed trademark will cover. There are 45 goods and service specifications in the trademark application. You can search which goods and services your trademark should be registered in respect of by conducting a search on the Intellectual Property Office website. It has a search string again for determining the classes for registrations. So if, for instance, you're looking at registering a balloon or manufacture of balloons, then you can enter that in the search string on the Intellectual Property Office website, and it will come up with the phrase that you might enter on your specification for your trademark application, but it'll also come up with the actual class itself, which is very important. The next stage in the process is to complete the trademark application form. This is TM3, which can be submitted via the Intellectual Property Office website. The standard application process costs £170 and can be completed and submitted via the website. There is an alternative process called the Right Start application. The Right Start application is £200 in total. £100 is payable upon submission of the application. If the application is accepted, then the balance of £100 is payable. If the application is not accepted, then a new application can be submitted and you've only lost half of the fee, £100 of the fee. After the application has been submitted and it has been accepted, then the application will be published in the Trademarks Journal. This allows third parties who may have trademarks that are already registered, that are either identical or similar to your trademark, to become aware that you're looking to register the trademark, and if they so choose, providing they have sufficient grounds, to try to oppose your application. If the application is successful, in general, if there are no oppositions, it will take approximately 3 months to register the trademark. If there are any oppositions and you have to defend your application, then it can take approximately 6 months. Upon successful registration, you will receive a trademark registration certificate, which you should keep in a safe place. Upon successful registration of your trademark, the trademark will last for 10 years and will not need to be renewed until the 10th anniversary of the filing date. And during that period, you will have exclusive rights in relation to your registered trademark, which you can enforce against any third-party infringer.